Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. I bring you villages related content. In today's video, I want to bring you what I think might be the best floor plan of all the designer homes in the Villages, Florida. I'm going to show you the Songbird-C model home. We'll go over the floor plan. We'll talk about the bond information, and I'll show you where these homes are located. But first, I wanted to explain what the Villages is. It is a 55 plus community located in Central Florida. It's the safest community in Florida with a very low crime rate. It's also one of the fastest growing metropolitan areas in the nation. And what you see in front of you is the villages.com website. If you see any homes that you're interested, you will need to contact a Villages sales associate, and I will bring you the contact information a little bit later in the video. I have never brought you a Songbird-C model home. I wanted to show you this home. After I looked at the floor plan, I was thinking to myself, this could be the best floor plan of all the designer homes. And that's the question I want to ask you. Do you think this Songbird is the best floor plan of the designer homes in the Villages, Florida? Let's take a look at these homes. They are located in the village of Well Point and Oak Hollow. Off to the left is Marsh Bend Trail running north and south. McNeil Drive is running east and west. The Street of Dreams is located right here. That's where the 56 model homes are located that the Villages takes customers through to show the fit and finish, as well as the floor plans. And these homes are located in this area here. And I wanted to show you the yellow dots are homes that have been sold. These are the Songbird-C model homes. And there are several homes that were built right here in the Oak Hollow area that have been sold. They are pending sale. This is the Oak Hollow Postal and Recreation Center. And these homes are located very close to the Eastport Town Square. Probably a 6 or 7 minute golf cart ride to the town square. And for those new to the channel, the town square is where nightly entertainment occurs, live music, shopping, and restaurants. And let's take a look at the Songbird-C model homes. And I wanted to show you this particular model. This home has a lanai that faces northwest. The rest of the model homes, the lanai is facing either south or west. And I wanted to show you this one. I think this would be the best available Songbird-C model if you're interested in this floor plan. Let's take a look at the orientation of this home. We'll take a look at the lot layout. You can see this home does face northwest. That's the back of the home. Let's take a look at the particulars. $502,596. 2,020 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. This home is located in the village of Oak Hollow. And this is the phone number you need to call if you're interested in speaking to a sales representative. Let's take a look at the home features. Precast concrete walls. These walls were made in a factory and shipped to the job site and lifted into place using a crane. It has a very large residential lanai. It's on an interior home site. Composite plank flooring is now standard in all new homes in the Villages. It is smart home ready. 2-car plus a golf cart garage. Quartz countertops, that's also standard now in new homes in the Villages. Open floor plan. It has blinds as well. Let's look at the floor plan of this home. Songbird-C. The first thing I want to show you is the garage. It's 19 feet by 20 feet. And the first thing I notice is that the garage is 20 feet deep. One of my subscribers said he's having a hard time finding a garage that has a 22-foot depth. So you might want to consider asking the Villages about the garage depth. You also should do some investigation to see if you do have a large truck, if it would fit in that garage. As you enter the foyer area, you do notice it has 2 large hinged doors entering the foyer. And also it has a closet in the foyer area. Not all homes, in fact, very few homes have a closet in the foyer area. As you enter the living and dining space, you can see it's wide open spaces, and off to the right is your kitchen. Off to the left, you do have a sliding pocket door leading into a guest quarters. And you have bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. And you do have 2 bathrooms. Each bedroom has its own unique bathroom. And that's why I think this might be one of the most popular model designer homes in the Villages today. Off to the back of the home, you have a very large lanai with 2 banks of sliding pocket doors. You have pocket doors off the nook space as well as the living space. The lanai is 17 feet by 10 feet, as well as 10 feet 4 inches by 7 feet 3 inches. So you're looking at probably 27 or 28 feet of lanai space. Off to the back of the home, you do have a primary suite with a hinged door. As you enter the primary bathroom, off to the left, you will have a walk-in closet. Off to the right, you'll have a very large walk-in shower, and that will have a window in it as well. You do have 2 sinks. You also have a separate commode space with a sliding pocket door. So far, this home checks all the boxes except for split bedroom design. It's large enough, 2,020 feet as well. Let's take a look at some of the pictures of this home, and I think you're going to like it. This home looks very nice from the outside. There are your 2 entry doors with glass in it. A lot of villagers will put a screen in front so the insects do not come inside there and nest. This is your lanai. This is probably one of the negatives about the home. You do have 2 neighbors' lanais right in the back of your home. There's your composite plank flooring. That's a staged photo. There's your entrance door again. There's your composite plank flooring. Off to the left is your sliding pocket door and your 2 guest bedrooms and 2 guest bathrooms. And I think that's a nice feature to have in this home. There is your very high ceiling. You do have some recessed lights in there. You do have an island that's painted a little bit different color than your kitchen cabinets. This home does seem to have adequate kitchen cabinets. Leave in the comments below whether you think this home has adequate kitchen cabinets. I would like to know your opinion. There is your nook space off to the left. Stainless appliances, natural gas stove. It looks like the cabinets are painted a light brown or light gray. I do like the very wide bank of drawers in this kitchen, and you can see they have 2 of them, one on either side of that natural gas stove. Single bowl stainless sink, adequate cabinet space, I believe. Seems to have shaker style cabinets. This is your nook space and your sliding patio doors. Here's your primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. This is located in the back of the home, has carpeted floors, tile floors in that primary bathroom, 2 sinks, very large walk-in shower with a window in it, separate commode space with a sliding pocket door, very nice shower. Lots of villagers are looking for that walk-in Roman shower. Carpeting in the closet. This is a guest bedroom in the front of the home. It looks like it has cathedral ceilings. A lot of the guest bedrooms in the front of these designer homes will have a flat ceiling. So this is going to feel nice and open. And here is a bathroom off of that bedroom. Carpeted floors in that bedroom. This is the bathroom. Quartz countertops come standard. There is another very large walk-in type shower. There's a closet. This is the guest hallway leading down to the second guest bathroom and second guest bedroom. There is your tub with a tile shower surround, tile floors, quartz countertops. This is another guest bedroom, carpeted floors, very high ceilings in this home. This home checks all of the boxes. It has a natural gas hookup for your dryer. This is the laundry area. As you enter from the garage, you enter into the laundry area. There's your very wide 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. It is 20 feet deep, so you should double check to see if your vehicles fit in there. Here is your lanai. It's a very large lanai, and you do have the 2 neighbors behind you. It is a screened-in lanai as well. And the back of the home does face northwest, which is an optimal direction. Here you have pine straw as your landscaping. A lot of villagers will take that out and replace it with something else. Very nice home. Let's go over the numbers of this home. $502,596. It is located in Unit 187V. Let's take a look at the bond. $50,627 and some change. That is your bond balance, 4.72%. If you choose to pay the bond off for over 30 years, your annual payment will be $3,349 and some change. And for those new to the channel, the bond is infrastructure costs that the developer passes on to the home buyer. It allows the home buyer to pay it off all at once or over 30 years' time. Let's take a look at the total numbers and the price per square foot. $502,596 for the home. $50,627 for the bond. Brings the total home cost to $553,223. And that comes out to a price per square foot of $273.87. Do you think this is the best designer home floor plan in the Villages? If you do, this is the home for you. It is located right here in the village of Oak Hollow. That is the home there. The back of the home does face northwest. If you don't feel this is the best designer home floor plan, let me know that as well. That is your video for today. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Ring the bell icon for notifications. Have a great day. Have a great week. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.